Hello friends and welcome back to Align Plans. Today we're going to be doing some cleaning and some organizing, mainly of all of the stationery stuff that I have. So why don't we just dive right in? We're going to go through both the acrylic stand that you're looking at and mainly this horrendous drawer that we're looking at right now. Here's a before picture, so let's just dive right in. So here's a before picture of how the drawer looks like, and at this point I'm just unpacking everything from there before I start organizing. Okay you guys, here is kind of an update on where we're at. And yes, my desk still looks like a mess, but at least the first drawer is kind of complete. So I'll just go through the whole thing with you guys. So this is, I'll just show you out here. So we have this drawer, this little box that I got from IKEA. It has like a lid for it. It's super cute. As you can tell, I have numerous. So it fits perfectly into the IKEA desk that I have. Then I have the little plastic holder with all of the small accessories. And my thing right now is actually to leave some space so that not everything is crowded. Then I put in my hand cream that I'm using currently because my hands get so dry with winter, it's ridiculous. So, do you remember my mapping insert that we got from Cloth and Paper? Not sure if you can tell, but basically I put these stickies right on the paper, and then I got these super cute small little sticky notes. I got them from a stationery store. I think it's like a kawaii themed store for my daughter. I need to find the other one that is like this. And anyways, I just stuck them all on because a lot of the times I just need sticky notes and I don't always want to kind of just look through it here. Then I have a small little acrylic container, and for now I actually have like these super transparent stickies. So I love using this sometimes, so I just kind of stuck that in here. And I have like these small icon stickers, and I'm leaving these really micro ones here because like I end up kind of reaching for them sometimes. So anyway, and then here I just left some pens that I'm using. Then we have some paper clips, and these are basically tools. So you have the whiteout, then you have lighter, like any of the tools that I end up using. And I think that this is nice and spacious, so we're pretty much done here. Oh, one more thing I wanted to show you. So on here I couldn't figure out what I wanted to put in here because I didn't want to put inserts. I didn't want to put stickies, but I have these flags, these are just, this is a transparent and this is paper, just almost like a sticky note, but you can use them as like little flags. So I just stuck them onto these pads for now. I will have to take like the backing completely off so that it sticks right on here. For now, they're okay here. And then I have this other, oh my gosh, what are you? Just like a notepad type of thing for meeting notes, and the other one is a schedule, also from Cloth and Paper. And then I actually have this in here. This is like a little rule that I got from the Hobonichi store because I use it pretty regularly. I don't want to lose it, so I'm just going to leave it in here. Okay, now next I will show you how we're going to organize all of these little translucent stickies. And I still have that hot mess that Noah made a little bit earlier, so we will go through that next, so stay tuned. Before I actually get started with filling up all of the acrylic holders, I wanted to bring all of the pens that I'm planning on putting in, and of course cleaning it, because as soon as it drops on the ground, it's a hot mess. So here you're just seeing me use a little bit of like soap water, vinegar, and just kind of wiping it clean, because honestly it just accumulates a lot of dust here. So let's put some music on and I'll let you enjoy.
Until you tell me to stop being so dramatic.
Let's get started with the acrylic holders. As you can tell, it's a 3-tier one. So at the very top, I'm going to be putting in all of these really fun, colorful sticky notes. Then I'm moving on to all of the decor. I'm just basically sorting through most of it here just to kind of create a little bit of a different category, I guess. And then we're on to dot stickers, translucent dots, and I have so many of them. Some of them are micro, some of them are just multiple colors. So I was trying to figure out if I wanted to kind of separate them or if I just wanted to put all of the dots in like one section all together, just because they kind of feel like they're a little bit all over the place. But I decided at the end to just keep all the dots together. We're going to keep all the icons together, and I think that I separated the teardrops. So here we are, teardrops on one side, and I think that the dots will be on the other side. Little adjustments to the camera, and here we go. So all the dots, some of them are from Bon Boutique, and then others are from Hey Planner Girl. I still have a stash. And then I have like this full bundle of translucent stickies that I was kind of struggling to fit in. This is all from Cloth and Paper. Their sizing is so different, so I kind of layer them underneath all of the smaller stickers. Moving on to the last tray, here I'm literally just using all of the icons, like the actual icons, such as, you know, the social media stuff and birthdays, like this is not decor. This is literally anything that has any type of scripture or any small icon on there. I was again contemplating if I should add some of those back into the icon list, and then I decided against it. Small icons are actually not going to stay there, I believe, but for now they're okay. Okay, I think I grabbed it from my drawer, and I'm adding all of the smaller sized, not the micro icons, but just the smaller size icons, and then the rest can stay in my actual drawer. So here we go. This guy is also completed. Let's move on to the second acrylic stand that I have, and this will be filled with pens and markers essentially. So here at the very top shelf, I'm using all of the pens that I'm currently using and just lining them up one by one.
Nights I got too high and almost left town, but there's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you.
Next, we're moving into all of the Tombow pens that I'm currently using for the month.
One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
Last but not least, let's go in with all of the Muji pens.
I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better.
That looks so much better. Oh my goodness. So we will do one last thing, because obviously there's so much more that I could organize, but for now I wanted to just organize this one last cup with all of my markers. And since my markers have been on the floor with the dogs, there's dog hair everywhere. So, and I have a marker. I just call this Fun Pens. Obviously I'm going to take that off. And this will just be highlighters. So I already have these guys, which I really love. These are from I believe these are the Monami ones. I've done like a full review on it. If you guys are interested, I'll just link it in the cards so you can take a look. But let me remove everything that is not needed in here. So the only thing that we're left with is just highlighters. And there you have it. This is all I wanted to share with you guys for today. I hope that you have enjoyed the organization extravaganza. Unfortunately, with me, I have to be careful because once I start, I have a really hard time stopping. I don't know if you feel the same way. So this is all I have for you. I hope that you have enjoyed it. If you want to see more organizational videos where I take a certain space and then I rearrange it and kind of tidy it up, make it better, let me know in the comment section because I'm going through my entire house anyway. So I would love to show you how I'm kind of transforming them and adding little minimalist little accessories. But here's a recap of what we have achieved. So I have obviously the little cuppy with all of my highlighters in it right now. I also have another cup that has all dedicated Tombow pens only. I think I'm going to be putting the remainder of these guys into just a separate container that has nothing to do with anything. And then the main thing that I really wanted to organize was obviously my desk and the drawer. So here's a close-up of how that turned out. And then you've seen the two acrylic holders that I just finished setting up. So I hope that you have enjoyed that. Hopefully this is not too long of a video, and I just keep planning, you guys, and I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye.